This is an English with Rick lesson about pronouncing the sound. There is another lesson I've done about the R sound in general. That lesson is about the mechanics of how to make the sound, where to position your tongue, is it a voiced sound, and all that sort of thing. And I'd encourage you to check that lesson out. But this lesson is just about pronouncing the sound as in bird. If you're going to pronounce the sound, you have to be able to hear it first. Like in that word I just said, first. That has the sound in it. Listen to the following information about a bird. And while you're listening, try to hear all of the words you can that have the sound in them. Note the words. Go back and listen to this as many times as you need to in order to be able to hear all of the words you can that have the sound in them. Here it is. There are hundreds of bird species around the city, and a lot that head south for winter, returning to nest and raise their young in the spring. This is a bird watcher's paradise. You can learn what they look like and sound like so you could observe and hear them. A hummingbird currently native to the area is the ruby-throated hummingbird, which appears in mid-May and stays here into September. Males have emerald green heads and backs, while females are green-gray. Both have white bellies, but only the males have the ruby-colored throats that gives the species its name. These tiny birds can usually be found in their preferred areas, along the edges of woodlands or in orchards and gardens. Hummingbirds are increasingly undeterred by humans since hummingbird feeders have become more popular. Now I'll repeat all of the sound words that were in that so that you can have a chance to practice repeating those words after me. Bird. Winter. Returning. There. Bird watchers. Learn. Observe. Currently. September. Emerald. Preferred. Orchards. Undeterred. Feeders. Popular. The sound is a common English sound that you can pronounce just like a native English speaker if you first learn how to recognize the sound and then practice making it. Have a great one.